Okay, so here goes the first run of this video and how this purchase orders work. So if I go to add a PO here, let's do assets first. So we want to charge, say, some freight to an asset, whether it's one or single. So we'll just pick here, and I'll put my name on it so we know it's fake. I'm going to pick asset type purchase order. And we want this account. Now, if we wanted to book freight somewhere different, we could do that, and we would just list that freight account here. So right now it's just straight up that one. Warehouse is not required in this one. And then here we're going to, it's gone. Let's see. Okay, use this as a test unit. So here we're assigning the main asset that we want to book it against. Now we do have the capability to do per item, per line. Let's see, for a freight company. I'm just going to do it like this. I'll be the vendor. Okay, so we've created that. Okay, and now you can see here, we're going to see these codes that are consistent with the sales item codes. And that's the same stuff we use on sales deals. So we're going to pick freight. We're going to pick invoice freight. There we go. And now we could reassign it in this case, but because we're only going to do one line, we don't have to reassign it to different asset. So say we say $400. There you go. Now that one line is assigned to that. Okay. So that purchase order is issued. Print it. Receive it. Okay. Obviously that's going to be the same. This little switch is new. Could set full quantity quicker. Yep. And we're going to receive that. And then that's done. So now that's going to create that purchase order in QuickBooks from the receipt. We can say we can see that that's synced over there now, and that it's going to book it to that. So when you make a bill, it'll book it to this account, and that'll line it up and put it in the inventory properly. And then the last thing would be to look at that truck. And this is where that freight showed up here. I think we just need to change that to freight, but there's that $400 expense to that unit. So that's being added in as part of its expenses. And it was capitalized.